Experiencing a stuck spinner or infinite loading screen on the DoorDash Dasher app? You're not alone. These loading issues are among the most common technical problems that delivery drivers face. These issues are especially common during peak hours, from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. during lunch rush and 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. during dinner rush. High server loads during these periods are the primary cause of loading problems. The loading problems can manifest in several ways: the app freezing during order acceptance, navigation stopping mid-route, or being unable to update delivery status. These issues directly impact your ability to earn money. The root causes fall into three main categories. First, network problems, including poor cellular or Wi-Fi connectivity, network congestion during busy periods, and DNS resolution issues that prevent the app from connecting to DoorDash servers. Second, app-specific issues like corrupted cache data, outdated app versions, and background refresh conflicts. The cache stores temporary data to speed up the app, but when it becomes corrupted, it causes loading problems. Third, device-related factors including insufficient storage space, outdated operating systems, and hardware limitations on older devices. When your phone runs low on storage, apps cannot function properly and may fail to load. Understanding these root causes is the first step to resolving loading problems. By identifying whether your issue stems from network connectivity, app corruption, or device limitations, you can apply the most effective solutions. When the DoorDash Dasher app gets stuck loading, start with the simplest solution: force close and restart the app. This quick fix resolves temporary loading issues about 40% of the time. If force closing doesn't work, try resetting your network connection. Toggle airplane mode on and off, or switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. This method is effective about 60% of the time for network-related problems. For more persistent issues, clear the app's cache. This fixes cache-related problems around 75% of the time. The process differs between Android and iOS devices. For persistent problems, try advanced solutions. Clear all app data, though this requires re-login. Optimize your device by freeing up storage space, closing unnecessary background apps, and restarting your device. These methods have an 85 to 90% success rate. Prevention is key to avoiding future loading issues. Update your app weekly, clear the cache every 2 weeks, and maintain adequate storage space. Keep your device charged above 20% and close unnecessary apps before starting your dash.